Hello, I'm Colin Farr, Park Ranger with the City of Hoover, and welcome to Veterans Park. Located in northern Shelby County, Veterans Park is one of the largest and most visited parks in Hoover. With 82 acres of open meadows and trails, this park has a large playground area, 3 beach volleyball courts, 3 outdoor pavilions, a 5K running trail, and a large Veterans Memorial. In addition, the park is surrounded by a 4-acre lake and 1-acre pond with scenic views of birds and other wildlife. Parking and restrooms are available on site. For more information on pavilion rental, please call 205-444-7781. To learn more about Veterans Park, be sure to visit our website at hooveralabama.gov/parksandrecreation.